now on YouTube. Now you can also watch on YouTube. Let me text all the students. Good. What's this? Just hold on. Let me text here. Good evening. Everyone. Okay. Fine. So we are ready now. I hope I'm audible to all of you. I haven't shared the screen. Is the screen not visible to you? Okay, now it's visible. Okay. Yes. So I'm launching a poll for you also. It's good if you participate there also. Yeah. Yes. Okay, students. So we have started the class. Okay. Welcome everyone, and please participate in this poll because we are already 5 minutes late. You must start it early somewhat, na? No issues. I'll be fast in the class. Doesn't matter. I'll be fast. Okay. Welcome everyone. Good evening, everyone. Be happy. Welcome everyone. Okay. Whatever you want to say. Let me write here. Good evening. Good evening. 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 Okay. Got it? Welcome everyone. Oh, students, please mute yourself. All your voice is coming. Just mean your voice is coming. I told you to mute several times, 1,000 times I told. If you'll carry on like this, then how it will work? Okay. Good evening, Harmanjot, Shabnam, and all the students have texted. Okay, Mari and all. So I hope you have participated in the poll. I'm ending the poll. Finish. Okay. So now let us start a class. Okay. So now let us start a class. And see, we are not going to revise a lot of things today. We'll start. Today's session will be completely numerical. What kind of session will be today? Today will be what? Complete numerical kind of session. Okay. So let me close the video. See, what are the things which we have revised in the previous classes? हमने क्या चीजें previous class में revise की थी? What are all those things? Can anyone say? What are the things which we have revised in the previous classes? Anyone? 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 Can anyone of you say? What are the things which we have revised? Can anyone answer, students? What are the things which we have revised in the previous classes? Okay, see, first one thing you must understand, there must not be any audibility problem here. Okay, so audible problems nahi honi chahiye ki you're not able to hear me. And the must condition, second must condition, which is a slide, PPT slide, that must be properly, clearly, visible to you. Got it? है ना? PPT slides जो हैं वो visible होनी चाहिए आपको properly. Okay, students? Yes. So see, let us do the revision first. Revision नहीं बस थोड़ा बहुत, because we have already gone 1,000 times from this. ठीक है. So हमने what we studied actually. What are the things which we have already studied? देखो हमने ray optics पढ़ा. Okay. We have studied this topic. What does it mean? We have studied some important terms also. We studied plane mirror and light interactions also. Now we have seen this thing. No, many times we have seen. क्या देखा? We have studied ray optics definition. Ray पढ़ा, optics पढ़ा. What is the meaning of this? That also we have seen. है ना? Then what? Then we have seen some important terms. This also we have seen. But what are the some important terms which are related to the this सर हमने फिर पिछली क्लास में देखा स्फेरिकल मिरर क्या होता है what is this spherical mirror is. Then we have seen the types of spherical mirror: concave spherical mirror, convex spherical mirror. Okay, ठीक. फिर हमने कुछ important terms which are related to this concave, convex, or I can say combinedly a spherical mirror. We have seen this क्या होता है वो. Then we have seen these things. समझ में आ गया स्टूडेंट्स? ठीक है. Then at last we have solved the numericals questions. ठीक. Yeah. So in today's class, these are our goals. This is like a game, PUBG game, and these are our missions. Okay, or Free Fire kind of. So no, it's not a Free Fire or PUBG kind of. We can say it's like Counter Strike. You can call. Okay, Call of Duty. These are these are our goals. Okay. So our goals are this. First chapter or first mission is this. We'll solve the numericals. Okay. First mission of our today's class, whatever the time which are allotted, are by like this is we have to solve our numericals. Then second we'll solve. If we are left with some time, then we'll complete this mission also. That is diffraction. So we'll earn more batches here. Okay. And at last we'll see the animation. You know, when the game ends, say Call of Duty or all these games, at end what happens? They will show you the complete animation, the producers and all these things kind of. Hai na? Fine. Got it? Now let us start the class. Okay, I hope you are happy with this all contents today. So students, इसको हम ज़्यादा रिवाइज नहीं करेंगे, बहुत बार देख चुके हैं, थक चुके हैं. These are ray optics finish. We know इसमें हमने क्या देखा था. इसमें we had derived something about the ray, conclude about the ray, a line like this from the source to the receiver, blah blah. Then we have seen optics का definition क्या होता है. We have combined both the definitions. We got ray optics. Wave optics हम बाद में पढ़ेंगे. Wave optics we'll see afterwards. Okay. Then we have seen properties of light. Okay. Then we have seen type of electromagnetic inductions. Then we have seen some important terms related to ray. Okay. Then we have seen some like what's the beam is. There are three type of beams. Okay. Parallel convergent. Then this plane mirror concept, angle incidence and all these things. Then we've seen laws of reflection after these images. After plane mirror, we have seen the laws of reflection. Then we have seen information of images plane mirror. This we predicted as this is a leaf will be here, and we have at last we have reached to a concept that is object perpendicular distance from the mirror is equals to image perpendicular distance from the mirror. Okay. Suppose what? Suppose this is a plane mirror. So object का perpendicular distance from the plane mirror. Let me draw it properly. So we'll say like this. Suppose this is a plane mirror. So object का perpendicular distance from the plane mirror is equals to what? Image का perpendicular distance from the plane. This concept we have extracted from this PPT. Okay, I mean this slide. Then we understood the relation between these three things. Suppose when the object is moving, mirror is moving, and the image is also moving. And we have at last we have reached to a formula that is velocity of object, velocity of image by 2 is equals to the velocity of mirror. Okay. This is the last thing. Velocity of object, velocity of image, velocity of mirror. ठीक है? Okay, got it? Then we concluded this thing about what are spherical mirrors. Concave भी होता है, convex भी होता है. There are two kind of mirrors, concave and convex, spherical. Okay. Then we have seen about the pole and vortex, that this is pole or vortex. Okay, we have seen many terms, pole or vortex. We have seen about principal axis, perpendicular line passing through curvature and focus. We have seen curvature, focus also. Okay, these many things, aperture we have seen, then we have seen focal plane. We have seen rules for image formation. What it says that a light, I've revised many times, a light is parallel, it will pass the focus. Okay, reversibility is also fine. Curvature retracement we have seen. Pass if the light is incident at the pole, it follows laws of reflection. Yeah, then we have concluded a formula which is this, where F is R by 2. Then in the last class we solved one question. Then I told you okay, this question will be as a homework and we'll take this question as a recall question. Haven't I told you this thing? Anyone, students? Have I give this question as a homework? Had I give this question? Have I given this question as a homework or not? Any one of you students? Have I given this question as a homework? Please reply. I told you, no, we'll take this question in the next class as a recall question. We'll take this question in the next class as a recall question. Okay, students? Yes or no? Please reply. Yes or no? Yes or no, students? Okay, so some of the students are replying here. No. Okay, so we'll solve this question. Okay. Okay, but first let me all of you please tell, like, we were where in the last class? In the last class, where we have left? Where we have left in the last class? Last class. Where? Anyone? Okay, I will solve this question now. See, you are given what here? You are given here a mirror which is concave mirror. What kind of mirror it is? It is concave mirror. Okay. And this mirror is given the radius of curvature numerical value as 20 centimeters. Okay. So focus will be what here? See, focus we know it is R by 2. That is 20 by 2. That is equals to 10 centimeters. Okay. Now let us see the sign and convention. Now let us talk a little bit about the sign and conventions. This is the pole or vertex of this concave mirror. Okay. Origin 0, 0. This direction will be what? Negative. This direction is what? Positive. Because it's origin, no? Origin का ये side positive x-axis होता है, ये negative x-axis होता है ना? So how much distance the object is from this pole? It is u equals to, with sign and convention, of course, minus 5 centimeter. And if I talk about focus, it is since it's a concave mirror, it will be also towards the curvature, center of curvature. That is, on the same side of the center of curvature. That is minus 10 centimeter with the sign and conventions. This is focus and this is object distance. ठीक है. Now they're asking from us to find out the position, that is v value, and the type of image form. Type of image मतलब या तो virtual होगा और real होगा. ठीक है. So let us see here, 1 by v, 1 by u plus 1 by f. Okay. So u here is -5. F here will be -10. We need to find v here. Okay. This will give us the position and what kind of image it is. This will give us this. समझ गया? Okay. You understood this thing. So now let us solve this question. So 1 by v plus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. U is minus, see this, -5. F is -10. We'll get the v. So let us solve this now. You will get 1 by v here and this negative. इसमें से common लेंगे. We'll get 1 by 10 as the answer. We'll get v as what? V as 10 centimeters. ठीक है? Is it fine, students? You got v as 10 centimeter. So we'll say where the image will form. Any one of you, where the image will form. V is 10 centimeter. What does it mean? V10 का मतलब क्या हुआ? What was the meaning of V10? Anyone? What is the meaning of V10? Where the image will form, students? Can anyone predict where the image will form? V10 का meaning what? Okay, behind the mirror. Yes. Badakhshan, Bashir have given the right answer. Very good. We'll say like this. Image will form behind the mirror. Okay. Yes. So behind the mirror. Why behind the mirror? Because answer is positive. So in positive direction is this. V equals to 10. This is the point of the image. And this image is, by the way, virtual image. This image is kind of which image? Virtual image. Virtual image. Okay. So we get the position, the type of image also, where we're having V as +10 and virtual. Okay. Now let us move toward the next thing. Because the complete session is numerical today. So this question for you. Can you solve this question, students? Anyone of you can solve this question? Yes or no? Anybody can solve this question, students? Anyone? Okay, I'm solving this question. Okay. So this question, what is in this question? Yes, okay. So you can solve, that's cool. So what is in this question? If you see properly, see the object is given. This is what object, okay. This object का distance दिया is mirror से u equals to -10. Okay, so I suppose students you're able to understand the previous question. I mean, how I'm applying all these things here. Okay. Yes, how I'm applying all these things. So u here is given as this. That is, if we go here, it's a negative direction by sign and convention. Take this as positive. ठीक. So इस pole से जब हम यहाँ जाते हैं, the distance is how much of the object? 10 centimeter. I will take -10 centimeter. U equals to -10. ठीक है. Focus. This mirror is concave or convex mirror, students? What kind of mirror is this? This is convex. Okay. So the radius of curvature will be what? Positive direction. Okay. And focus will be also then, see its focus point is already given. So we'll see if F will be what? F will be +10 here. So now we're having U and F. We can find V now. That is image distance. So be like, don't be tired in the class. Okay, be very much energetic. It's very important. Okay, students. So 1 by v plus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. U we are having as minus 10. 1 by v minus 1 by 10. F we are having what? F we are having plus 10. So from this we'll get 1 by v as 2 by 10, that is 1 by 5. So from here we get v equals to 5 centimeters. ठीक है? Image का distance from the pole we get as positive 5 centimeters. What does it mean? It means like this, that the image will be here on this side plus 5 centimeters. ठीक है? Okay, that's fine. So now we can answer two things. Position is positive 5 centimeter. Type of image is it is virtual image because it's behind the mirror. It's on the polished side. It's towards the inside the polished side in the mirror world, elusive world. Okay, illusion it is. Position pata lag gaya, numerical value, type of image we got it, but what's the height of the image? Because in this question not only the position of the image is given, height bhi de rakha hai, that is 4 centimeter. Uska height kitna image ka, that is given here. So how you will solve this question now? I mean, how will find the height of the image now? So for this, write a special kind of topic, I mean, which will give you a quick formula to find the answer of the height. Write this here, transverse magnification. First write this theory little bit, a concept, a trick, then we'll apply that formula in the last point of that recent past question, and then we'll get the answer. Okay, so this is what transverse magnification. Transverse magnification. Write this heading. It says like this. It says, suppose you're having a concave mirror, convex mirror, whatever you can take. I'm just explaining you easily little bit via what? This concave mirror. So suppose a line passes like this. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Let us again write here transverse fast. Transverse magnification. Okay. Suppose you're having a concave mirror like this, and this is the polished side. And suppose this is the principal axis. This is the pole. ये focus है, curvature है. Suppose the object height is hi. Okay, and suppose image forms say on the virtual side. Suppose maybe it can be on the real side, but suppose let us say it is in the mirrored world, virtual. Suppose this is the height of the object. Sorry, not I. It's height of the object. Ho subscript O, I subscript I, hi subscript I is height of the image. So relation between these two things. First of all, sign and convention. Sign and convention is this. This direction is positive direction. This direction is negative direction. On virtual side also, above perpendicular direction to the principal, this is what? PP, principal axis. This is what? Negative direction. Okay. So relation is this. Height of the what? Height of the image upon height of the object is equals to minus V by U, where this is minus image distance from the pole or vertex, from pole or vertex upon object distance from pole or focus. Okay, this is given like this, minus V by U. This is the formula, students. Is it fine? Yes or no? Okay. Now we'll apply this tricky formula there. So there is a derivation for this formula, but don't worry. We just need the applicative part. I mean, the thing which is used for applications. Okay. We just need that. Now let us apply this So if I apply it here, what the answer you will get? Formula क्या था? Height of the image and height of the object minus v by u. v कितना है? 5 सेंटीमीटर. u कितना है? What is u? It's minus 10 centimeter. Half. So we can say here our height of the image will be what? What you can predict here, students? You can say like this. Our height of the image is height of the object ka आधा, means it's half. So image height will be half of the height of the object. Okay. So I can show there like this, that image will be forming on the other side 5 centimeters, which because V is 5 centimeters, image distance from the pole or vertex, but its height is this much, that is 2 centimeter, because we get what? We get height of the image as equals to height of the object by 2, where object height is 4 centimeters by 2. Okay, this is the height of the image. Got it, students? Yes? Fine. So are you able to understand this question? Yes or no? Were you able to get this question? Yes. Very good, Bashir. What about other students? Shabnam, Armanjot, where are these? Okay, Neha, Shivani, Neelam, and Maria, and Manjot, and Jasmine, Jamuna, and Armanjot, and Bashir. Were you able to understand this question? Yes? All of you must see, these are the students who are really passionate for studies. This shows you're in the class till now, you're understanding things. Rest of the students, maybe they didn't get it, maybe, but maybe, some technical issues there. We can't do anything in that. Very good, Shivani, Manjot, and all these things. Okay, Manjot, good. So now let us move towards the next theoretical concept. Now write the heading, students. Relation between, write this heading, relation between velocity. Okay, write the heading, relation between velocity of object and image, okay, with respect to spherical mirror. What kind of spherical mirror? We know the types of spherical mirror. Concave, either concave or either convex. Okay. So let us derive this thing. I hope you are ready for the derivation. So let us derive this thing. Derive this thing. Fine. Yes. Suppose let's start with the concave. Suppose we are given a concave mirror here. This is a concave mirror. This is suppose concave mirror. Okay. And this will be what? This will be pole here. This is pole or vertex. Okay, students, got it. Now principal axis will be what? It will be this PP, principal axis. This is focus point. This is curvature point. Now, students, there. Suppose it happens. Object is here, but let me show the red pen. Suppose this is the object, and suppose if the object moves with speed VO, okay, and the image moves, and suppose the spherical mirror moves with speed VM, and the image moves with some speed, say VI. So you have to find the connection in these three things. First, maybe second, you can mark the numbers anywhere, or third. Got it? Okay. So कैसे derive करेंगे? Since it's one of the types of the spherical mirror, say concave, we'll use first mirror formula. You will use first mirror formula. Okay. So mirror formula is this: 1 by V plus 1 by U plus 1 by F. Okay. V is V is what? We don't know. U is what? Like V we know. It's image distance. Object distance. F is what? Focus. Okay. Students, what we need to do here is this we have to do differentiation of these things left hand side and the complete RHS with respect to time for what? This is a derivation for the three section between the three velocities. So object speed, image speed and spherical mirror speed. Then when you will do the derivation, minus v square dv by minus 1 by u by dt. Focus का derivation, focus का differentiation क्या होगा? Because the focus denotes what? It denotes the r by 2 thing, kind of radius of curvature का half. It means it's fixed because curvature curved, the extensency of this curved nature of this mirror is fixed, है ना? If it is like this, it will be tilted like this. It will be shaved and molded permanently like this. If it's convex, it will be shaved like this. Okay, so this will be 0 here. So you will get minus 1 by v square image with 2 mirror to get as positive by u square velocity of image with respect to mirror minus v square by u square. Okay, velocity of object with respect to mirror. Okay, so this is our formula for solving that question. Okay, so if I expand this, I will say like this: velocity of image with respect to ground frame minus velocity of mirror with respect to ground frame minus v square by u square, velocity of object with respect to ground frame minus velocity of mirror with respect to ground frame. This is our final formula here. Okay. Okay, students. So this formula we'll use in that question to find the answer. Just note down this formula as a 5-star note rating in your notes. It's important. Okay. Note it down, students. Very much important. It's very much important. The formula. Note it down. Okay. I hope you have noted it down. Now we'll solve the numerical and then we'll end the class. Okay. Last numerical of today's class, then we'll end the class. We'll start the reflection theory and animation in the next class when we'll meet. Okay. Whenever the class will be there. So we'll apply this question, I mean, this theory in this question. Okay. So what is the question is? This is a concave mirror. Okay. And this is an object which is with the sign and conventions u equals to minus 30 centimeters from this pole of this concave mirror. And this is a focus which is with the sign and convention. If I say a focus, if the mirror is covered like this, it means it's a concave mirror. So center of curvature will be here, but this will be minus 10 with the sign and conventions. Okay. Okay, let me write down all the things. Velocity of the mirror here is, see, this I'm taking as 0, 0. Okay, say like this. Also, if you go against the direction of the object, it's negative. So this side is negative and this side of the pole is treated as positive. This is negative, this is positive. This is velocity of mirror. It is basically, if you see in the question, just look in the question, it is minus 1 centimeter per second. Velocity of the object is 2 centimeter per second. ठीक है? Focus here is minus 10 centimeter. ठीक है? U equals to minus 30 centimeter. Okay. So these are all the things which we are having. This is the way you must, attend the question. Try solving the question. What is asked here? By the way, what is asked? Okay. They're asking the velocity of the image. Of course, if the object is here, if this is the object, O, B, J, E, C, D, object. If this is the object, this will be also having the image in the concave mirror, maybe virtual, maybe on the principal axis on the same side of the object. That is a real image, but whatever. This is the object, it will be having the image V also, but that we are not having. So first of all, we'll find that. And it is asking the question, if the object which is at U is moving, also there will be V something which will also move. Why? Because this mirror is also moving. Hai. We have seen these things in plane mirror also. That's why also we have derived a formula for that. That is, if the plane mirror is given, the velocity of object but velocity of image upon 2 gives us the velocity of mirror for the plane mirror case. These were the things, hai. It can be anywhere, plus, positive or negative. This we have seen the plane mirror case. But now we'll apply the formula which we have already derived, and we'll use these values to find the answer. Okay, but before all these things, let us find the V value. So V will find with this formula 1 by V plus 1 by U equals to 1 by F. U students we are having here as what? U we are having as minus 30, F as minus 10. So apply this U as minus 30, F as minus 10. 1 by 30 minus 1 by 10. 1 by 3 minus 1. 1 by 10. Minus 2 by 3. This will give you what? Minus 15. Okay. So we get the image as minus 15 centimeter. We get the image distance is minus 15 centimeter. Minus 15 का मतलब क्या होता है? What's the meaning of minus 15? It means on the same side of the object. So अगर object 30 centimeters पे है, it is also by sign and convention U minus 30. So image will be minus 15. That is midpoint here. So this will be the image if this is O object, and this is 15 centimeter in magnitude. With sign and conventions minus 15. ठीक है? Positive 2 centimeter per second से VO. Mirror move कर रहा है minus 1 centimeter because it's this side. Minus 1 centimeter per second VM. Okay. Now image will be having some speed. Say, what is the image speed? Say VI. We need to find that. So apply the formula. Object 2, mirror minus 1. Okay, formula kya tha? What was the formula? Formula was this. That is velocity of image with respect to ground frame minus velocity of mirror. Okay. See, when I'm not writing anything with respect to ground kind of thing, it means already like you have to assume it as what? With respect to ground. With respect to thing, I will write with respect. Okay, suppose with respect to mirror and all these things. अगर with respect लिखूंगा ना तो मैं ऐसे ही लिखूंगा. Okay, but now I'm not writing. I've expanded that formula. You have to use the trick here, and then we'll get the answer. So this is equals to minus V square by U square. Okay, students, and velocity of object minus velocity of mirror. Now put all those values and you will get the answer. Velocity of image we need to find. So इसको ऐसे लिख दो वेक्टर फॉर्म में. इसको ऐसे कैसे रहने दो. Velocity of mirror it is what? Minus 1 centimeter per second. इसको ऐसे लिख दो -1 है ना. V कितना आया? V आया -15. -15 का स्क्वायर बिकॉज स्क्वायर है. U कितना था? -30. -30 का स्क्वायर है क्योंकि स्क्वायर है. ऑब्जेक्ट कितना आया? 2 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड से पॉजिटिव स्पीड थी. मिरर का कितना था? -1 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड. माइनस तो अंदर आएगा ही. ओके, सो नाउ इसमें भी माइनस आएगा. नाउ व्हेन यू विल सॉल्व दिस थिंग, आंसर क्या आएगा, ये +1 हो जाएगा, this thing will be equals to what, 1/4, so -1/4, 2 minus minus plus is what, 3. Okay, so when we solve this thing completely, we get like this, -3/4 minus 1 equals to vi, that is the velocity of image. This is equals to, by the way, -7/4 centimeter. When you will solve it, you'll get this answer. This is your final answer. Okay, students, this is your word. This is the final answer. So we'll say like this, that if you were having this concave mirror in front of you, as we've seen in the question, okay, and if the principal axis is perpendicular, pole object is here initially at 30 centimeters. If it is moving with 2 centimeter per second towards a positive direction, mirror is moving with 1 centimeter per second towards the negative direction. Image due to this is formed at 15 centimeters from the pole, half of that complete 30, and it is I image, and it is moving with this speed whose magnitude is 7/4 centimeter per second in the negative direction, opposite to the object direction. Okay, so we can conclude like this: key nature of the image. Image is at 15 centimeters in negative with sign and convention. It means image is virtual. Okay, sorry, it's negative means on the same side, so it's a real image, not virtual. I'm sorry, virtual का मतलब तो mirror word में जो होता है, virtual का मतलब तो mirror word में, it's in front here, so it's what, it's a real image, 15 centimeter from the pole P, and also its velocity is -7/4 centimeter per second, that is opposite to object direction. ठीक है students, fine. Now one last question कि students इसमें concave mirror दिया है, so this question is as a homework. Take this question as a homework for you. Okay, I'm telling you how to solve it. Okay, last question है class का, इसके बाद I'll end it. So this is a homework for you. See here, you are given a concave mirror. ये positive x-axis है, positive direction. This is positive y. This is negative y. Why? Because this is origin. The pole is the origin. This is negative x. The coordinates of the object are given. What does that mean? It means height of the object is given. That is y coordinate 1 centimeter. And minus x-axis means what? -40 means what? Coordinate on the negative x-axis. That is object distance is given as 14 magnitude with sign and conventions -40. So they're asking you where the image will form. Radius of curvature is 10. Focus 5 centimeter. Direction you have to decide. Okay. So we'll put these values. What are the values? We'll put height of the object as, see, I've already told the sign and conventions. Always remember throughout the chapter that is direction पे जाएंगे तो height, it's positive direction, whether on the real side or the virtual side. This is above positive, this is negative down. Linear में यहाँ positive, यहाँ negative. Perpendicular में ऊपर positive, नीचे negative. ठीक है? So height of the object here is what? It is how much? 1 centimeter. ठीक? And u is how much? It is -40 given with sign and convention. ये positive था with sign and convention. Okay, now they're asking from you focus, because it's concave mirror, focus will be negative. Radius curvature का half in magnitude, but sign is negative. Okay, because it against the, I mean, we're going in the negative x-axis. Simply we can say. Okay, or in random questions you can say we are going against the incident direction rays. Okay. Now what to do, students? Now what's the next thing? So इसमें करना क्या है? They're asking the coordinates of the image. Find the v and the height of the image. Okay. So v जो आएगा, you will take it as x coordinate. Okay, x coordinate. Okay, coordinate. और जो height of the image आएगा, you will take as y coordinate. So ये होगा x y. You can say like this. It's interchangeable with this. That is v and y. इसमें साइन एंड कन्वेंशन चेंज नहीं करना. इफ यू आर पुटिंग दिस, सॉरी, v एंड हाइट ऑफ द इमेज, इसको मेरे को थोड़ा रिमूव करना होगा. v एंड height of the image. Just put this with proper sign and conventions. You get the answer here. Okay, you'll put the same, change this with this, and you will get the coordinates. Okay, so this is how the information is coded here. You can decode it, translate it, transform it. Okay, got it? You want me to solve it? Okay, I'm solving it. So u minus 40 है और v minus 5. ठीक, 1 by v plus 1 by u 1 by f. u minus 40 था, f कितना था? minus 5. 1 by v minus 1 by 40 minus 1 by 5. v कितना आएगा? What you will get the object image distance. ठीक, कितना आएगा? -7 by 8. ठीक, this will be minus 40 by 7 as v. v you are getting here as students what? minus 40 by 7. ठीक है, image distance. Okay, so this v will be x coordinate. And if minus मतलब क्या होता है? minus मतलब on the same side of the object, that is real image. Okay, basically the type is what? real. इसी side पे negative, this is positive from the pole. So x आया minus, and now we need the y coordinate. y कितना है? y I have told you already. y is this, that is height of the image. So we need to know the formula now. Formula was what? Height of the image upon height of the object equals to minus v by u. Okay, v कितना है? minus 40 by 7. u कितना है? minus 40. So minus 40 by 7. u कितना है? minus 40. Okay, so अब इसको करेंगे कैंसल, this and this. It's plus 1 by 7. height of the image, height of the object. object का height कितना था? It was given as plus 1 centimeter, y coordinate initially of the object, है ना? तो 1 centimeter यहाँ put करेंगे. This I have put here actually. Okay, so when you will solve this thing, you will get height of the image as how much? It's 1 by 7. 1 by 7. So students, this is nothing but the y coordinate of the image. Okay, 1 by 7 y. See, you can check the numerical things. Okay, if mathematics is somewhat wrong, you can correct it. Okay, but no issues. I don't think it's wrong if you're solving with me in the class side by side. Okay, hand in hand. So this is minus 40 by 7, the object distance. We got the image as height of the image is 1 by 7. So our answer is this, students. That is, we'll say, what was the question? Find the position of the image coordinates. So we'll say x, y for image is this. That is minus 40 by 7. Okay, because we know this is what? v and x. v and height of the image. v is minus 40 by 7. Height of the image is, see, what was that? 1 by 7. Okay, 1 by 7. So these are the coordinates of the image. Okay, students, is this thing clear? If it's clear, then you can leave the class now. Okay, if anybody is having any doubt, please text me fast. Anybody is facing any doubt here? Students, are you facing any doubt here? Any one of you? Is anybody facing any doubt here? Okay, so that was all about today's class. Okay, students, so that was all about today's class. Anybody is having any doubt, can ask now. So ending the class. Okay, bye bye, study well. We'll meet in the next class. Okay, I'll upload the notes on the link. Okay, okay, bye everyone. If anybody is facing any doubt, can text in the chat box now, or you can leave the class now. Time is already up. Okay. Okay, Bashir. Thank you. Bye bye. Yes. Any doubts? I am here only in the class. You can ask. Okay, Maria. Bye. Yes. Any doubts? So in the next class, what are we going to study? We'll study reflection. We'll study animation. Okay, we'll see that cool, interesting animation related to what? Related to reflection here. Okay, then we'll do what? Only these things. Okay, then we'll also see the apparent shift and that all those things, apparent shift, apparent depth, sorry, apparent depth and literal shift. We'll see that also due to glass slab. Okay, so I hope all the students have seen now. Let me see what's happening on the YouTube. If everything is fine there. So yes, YouTube links.